Hello students, good morning to all.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
First, mark your attendance. Within 5 minutes, you note down the homework for midterm break. Already written on the blackboard, exercise 13.1 to 13.6. Few questions I have given. एक छोड़ करके एक, और इसमें कोई डाउट होगा तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे आफ्टर द वेकेशन. First, mark your attendance within 5 minutes. 102, 104, 107, 108, 11, 12, 15, 13,
Sir, side please.
14, 15, 17, 18, 23, 23, 20, 23, 23, 24, 24, 31, 37, 201, 9, 11, 201, 9, 11, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 16, 17, 20, 16, 17, 20, 21, 24, 26, 21, 24, 26.
26 is present.
26 is present. Only 20, both sections.
Sir, 21 is also present.
Hundred and two, 104, 7, 8, 9, 11, 9, 11, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 17, 13, 14, 17, 18, 20, 23, 18, 20, 23, 24, 31, 37, 201, 205, 209, 205, 209, 211, 14, 15, 211, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 20, 25, 26, 28, 25, 26, 28, 28, 35 is left, 35, 235, 32, 32, Have you noted down your homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इसमें से जो नहीं होगा वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Now exercise 13.1 up to question number 6. You might have completed up to question number 6. Now exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. Question number 7. 6 तक सबका हो गया होगा. शांति स्वीट्स. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions means length, breadth and height, are 25 by 20 by 5 centimeter. A smaller dimensions is also given. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4,000 square centimeter, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So total surface area of one bigger box. First find total surface area, TSA, of one bigger box is equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. This is for bigger box. Now the dimensions are given. 2 into length 25 multiply 20 plus 20 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 25. Putting the corresponding values of length, breadth and height. This can be written as 2 into 25 to the 500 plus 25 the 100 plus 125. This is 2 into 500, 600, 725. 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 5 centimeter square. This is total surface area of one box. So total surface area TSA of 250 box can be calculated by multiplying 1450 by 250. Multiply this number. 14525, 14525. 5 to the 10, that is 5273 followed by 20. Sorry,
3,625.
3,625.
625.
3,625,00.
Yes, sir.
So 3,625,00 centimeter square. So write 3,625,00 centimeter square. Similarly, find the total surface area of one smaller box. One smaller box. This will be written as 2 into a small a, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. These values will be changed. This time length is 15 by 12. 15 by 12 plus 12 by 5 plus 5 by 15. So this is 180, 60, 75. So 2 into 5, 7 plus 6, 13, plus 8, 215, 180, 60, 75, 5,
80.
315, 315. So 5 to the 10, 3, 630 centimeter square. So for 250 box total surface area, this is 315. So 315 into 25. 315 25. Something is wrong. 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15. 180 is correct, 60 is correct, 75 is correct. Total
सर 5% एक्स्ट्रा भी तो है.
86. 315 correct, so 630 correct, so 315, sorry, 630. 630 multiply 25. 63 multiply 25. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. So 5, 7, 5, 1. 1575, 1575, 00 centimeter square. This is total surface area of 250 box. Now 5% of total surface area. 5% of total surface area. 5% of total surface area is equal to 5/100 into 362,500 plus 157,500. So 5/100, 0.05 decimal after two places, or we can cancel 5 1 ja 5, 520, multiply this addition 0 0 5 plus 5 0, 7 plus 2 9, 10, carry 1 1. So find the addition of these two, whether it is correct or not. And this can be written as 0 0 4 0, 5 2 ja 10, carry 1. So just add this number 157,500, 0 0 0 0 5200, decimal after two places. This is 5% of total surface area. Now the area of cardboard to be purchased. Area of cardboard to be purchased. Area of cardboard to be purchased. कितना खरीदना होगा? So sum of these two is here 52,000 plus 27,000, 27,000. So 30, 0 plus 7 7, 2 plus 2 4, 5 4 5 4 600. This is 5 2 ja 10, carry 1. This is 6. This is 6. So 5 4 600 centimeter square. This much area of cardboard we have to purchase. कैलकुलेशन देखना है सही है कि नहीं. Now cost of cardboard. Cost of cardboard. Cost of cardboard is equal to rupees. Rupees 4 for 1,000 centimeter square. So 1,000 by 4. Sorry, 4 by 1,000. Rupees 4 for 1,000. So 4 by 1,000 into our area is 546 000. This much amount we have to pay to purchase this much area of cardboard. So 30 cancel is equal to rupees 4, 6 4 jar 24, carry 2, 4 4 jar 16, 18, carry 1, so 2184. ये करेक्ट है? 2481, 2184 करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सही है तब. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फॉर योर होमवर्क. एक छोड़ करके एक. 13.2 एक्सरसाइज. फिर एक छोड़ करके एक, और जो नहीं होगा वो डिस्कस करेंगे आफ्टर द दीपावली ब्रेक. Something is there in the chat. Nothing is there. Some are still joining, some are going back. 33 are present. So 13.2 exercise. First question. Assume pi is equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. जब तक बोला नहीं जाए, the value of pi is 22/7. So the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height, so h is given 14 centimeter. Curved surface area is given 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter. Diameter is question mark. H is given. Curved surface area is given. D means diameter. To find the diameter, first we will find the area of cylinder. Then the diameter is twice of its area. So curved surface area is given 88 centimeter square. Now recall the formula of curved surface area of cylinder. It is 2 pi RH, perimeter of base into height, is equal to 88, or 2 pi 22/7, R is unknown, H is 14, is equal to 88. Putting the values of pi and H. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So 224, that is 4488 R is equal to 88. So R is equal to 88/88. That is 1 centimeter. So the radius is 1 centimeter. Now find the diameter. Diameter is 2R. That is 2 into 1, 2 centimeter. This is your answer. Right. Now second for your homework. एक छोड़ के एक. This is for your homework already given. So come to question number 3rd. Question number third. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Draw the diagram of metal pipe. This is metal pipe. This is H, this is R, and this is thickness of the metal pipe. Here also it is thicker. Metal pipe is thicker. Why it is thicker? Since internal and external diameters are given. So this is internal radius and this is external radius, capital R. This is a small r. So it is thicker at both ends. A pipe is 77 centimeter long. H is given 77 centimeter. A small r. Internal radius. Inner diameter of cross section is 4. So 4 by 2. That is 2 centimeter. External radius. External diameter is 4.4 by 2, 2.2 centimeter. First point, first part, inner curve surface area, inner curve surface area, which is also known as lateral surface area, inner. So 2 pi small rh. This can be written as 2 pi 22 by 7. Inner radius, that is 2, and the height is 77. You calculate yourself. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 11 7 ja 77. Right? This can be written as 2 into 24 to 44, that is 88 into 11. (968) centimeter square. 11 is 88, carry 8, 88 or 8, 96. That is 968 centimeter square. 968, correct. Correct. Similarly, find outer curved surface area, second part. Outer curved surface area, in place of a small r, it will be capital R. 2 pi rh. This can be written as 2 pi 22 by 7, capital R 2.2 into 77. Again cancel out by 11. So 2 44 24.2 multiply 44. Just you multiply and tell me what is your answer. Two 42 multiply 44. Then again I am checking your attendance. Just you multiply 100, 2, 104, 105, 105. It comes late.
Present, sir. 105 is present.
5%. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 10 is absent. 10 is absent. 12 is absent. 13, 14, 15, all are present. 14, 15. 17, 18%. 17, 18%. 19 is absent. Then 20, 18, 20, 23, 20, 23, 24, present, 26 present, 26
Sir, 26 present.
present. टाइम पर नहीं आता है. 31, 34, 31 present, 34 is present, 37 is present. Then 201 is present, 201. 209, 202, 209, 204, 205, all are absent.
Sir, 202 is present.
209%, 211%, 14%, 14%, 15, 16%, 15, 16%, again 17 is absent. आदित्य महेश्वरी
Sir,
अभी
roll
अटेंडेंस
number
देके
2 is
भाग गया. ये
present.
भाग गया, ये भाग गया. 19 is present.
Akash Saxena present, sir. 90116.
20%, 21%, 21%, 21, 22%,
22 present, sir.
22, 23, 25%, 23, 25, 26%, 26, 28 to 33, 28, 33%, 28, 33%, 35 फिर भाग गया ये.
Sir, 34%.
34 इसमें तो ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है, कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? 234 कि 134?
Sir, 134.
134?
Yes, sir.
134. 134 present, 137%.
सर वो 115 और 116 भाई है, वो एक साथ बैठ के कर रहे हैं क्लास.
अरे ये
सर।
कहाँ पे बैठ के कर रहे हैं ये? अरे तो अटेंडेंस तो दिया नहीं. आकाश
सर
सक्सेना.
दिया तो सरी. हाँ.
हाँ तो है.
आकाश सक्सेना 16
हाँ
रोल
हाँ
नंबर.
है बना हुआ है. आकाश और आकर्ष.
सर यस सर.
हाँ हाँ सही है, कर दिया.
थैंक यू
टोटल
सर.
नंबर ऑफ 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. इसको कैलकुलेट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है, कितना हुआ?
सर, रोल नंबर 2 भी प्रेजेंट है.
हाँ जल्दी से करना है, बस हो गया अटेंडेंस का काम. अब जो भी आएगा वो एब्सेंट. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, कितना हुआ? 242 को 44 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
1064.
1064.8.
Yes, sir.
1064.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1064.8.
Yes, sir.
1064.8 centimeter square. Now the total surface area for the third part, this is 968 1064.8. Now for the third part. For third part, curve surface area of both ends. ये जो शेडेड पोर्शन है ये, दिस इज ए शेप ऑफ ए सर्कल. So pi r square, आउटर सर्कल माइनस इनर सर्कल, और इतना ही नीचे. सो 2 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, एरिया ऑफ बिगर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल. तो शेडेड पोर्शन दोनों एंड का. So pi is common, twice pi, that is r square minus r square. This can be written as twice pi r plus r into r minus r. This is 2 into 22 by 7, 2.2 plus 2, 2.2 minus 2. So this can be written as 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 plus 2, 4.2. 2.2 minus 2, that is 0.2. This 7 6 are 42. So 44 multiply 6 2 are 12. Decimal after 2 places. So 12 4 are 48. So 5.28 centimeter square. Now the total surface area. Add these three surface areas. Total surface area is equal to inner surface area 968 point right 0. Outer surface area 1064.8. Area at the both ends 5.28. So put here 0. Add these three areas. This is 8. Carry 1. Carry 1. Carry 1. 2038. Now calculate yourself. 2038.08 centimeter square. So the question number 4 is already your homework. Already given for vacation work. Question number 4, then 6, 8, 10. एक छोड़ करके एक. तो ये होमवर्क में करना है, ज्यादा हमने कुछ दिया नहीं, इसी एक्सरसाइज का दिया. जो नहीं होगा we will discuss after the vacation work. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
sir.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Deepavali.
Sir, bye, sir.
Happy.
सर होमवर्क में भी भेज देना.
Sir.
हाँ,
Sir.
Happy
Diwali, sir. Happy Diwali, sir.
Deepavali.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy
sir, homework
Deepavali.
end.
Happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.